is P, it's a question actually, is P greater than Q? Okay, we need to give a yes or no answer here. Okay, so let's see whether we can answer this question or not. Now statement says that P into Q is greater than 0. So here the question is P greater than Q? Now just assume some values for P and Q. Let's say that P is 2 and Q is 1. In the second one I am taking P is 1 and Q is 2. So P into Q here is 2. Here also P into Q is 2. In both the cases P into Q is greater than 0. But here in first case P is greater than Q, and in the second case Q is greater than P. So among P and Q we cannot say by using statement 1 which is greater. So this is wrong. With using statement 1 we cannot answer the question. Okay. So let's take the statement 2. Here one thing that you need to understand, that here the question doesn't say that P and Q are natural numbers or whole numbers or something like that. It doesn't say anything. That means you need to consider all numbers. It could be natural number, it could even be negative numbers also. So in the cases where UPSC hasn't mentioned anything about natural numbers and all, you need to consider even integers, even fractions, even negative numbers, etc. So here it is statements 2 says that P square is greater than Q square. Now let us consider both negative number and a positive number here. Let's say that P is 2 and Q is 1. Now 2 square is 4 and 1 square is 1. So P square is greater than Q square, and P is greater than Q. Right? Because P is 2 and Q is 1, P is greater than Q. But if it's negative number, let's assume that P is minus 2 and Q is minus 1. Then P square is minus 2 square, that is 4, and Q square is minus 1 square, which is 1. Here again P square is greater than Q square. But here Q was greater than P because it's negative number. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Right? So by using this statement also we are not able to tell whether P or Q is the greater. So by using statement 2 also we cannot answer the question. So the answer is D. The question cannot be answered by using both the statement alone. Okay.